I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Good day everyone, and welcome to another episode. And today I'm walking towards Ekamai station, and we will be eating something spicy today. From what I heard, his restaurant is pretty famous for PAD KRAPAO, and it has 5 different levels, like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. So today, join me as I try the spiciest PAD KRAPAO in his restaurant, which is level 5.
No, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh.
They're open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and they have choices like vegetarian, they have chicken, pork, sour pork sausage, beef, they have wagyu shank, and squid. And they have 5 levels of spicy, the non-spicy being level 1, level 2 is very less spicy, level 3 is less spicy, level 4 is I think the Thai level, the medium signature spicy, and level 5 being the very spicy. I'm thinking if I should buy a non-spicy with the beef wagyu or with the wagyu steak. Let's see once we get there. There's still a long line inside.
A few moments later.
Beef, very spicy.
Very spicy.
Really spicy. I can say Mark Weins 1, Troy 0. I wasn't able to talk in there. There were a lot of people. I was too shy to talk. There were really a lot of people. See, there's a long line there. When you order, they'll tell you up front, like you have to wait for 25 minutes, 30 minutes. I bought takeaway, and I'll try to eat it with Tik later and let her try the wagyu level 5 spicy, and let's see how she handles it.
A few moments later.
And we're back. As you can see, I'm home and I'm still eating PAD KRAPAO. I bought 2 takeaways, one for Tik and one for me. And this is the beef krapao that I didn't finish. Oh, by the way, this is wagyu krapao, and this is the leftover beef. I took some extra duck egg.
And the egg gets cooked up right here. What they do is they start with the egg white. What's very special about this egg is that it's super crispy, fried, and kind of browned around the outside of the egg white, but the yellow yolk is still very, very creamy. And the way they're able to achieve that is by putting the yolk in after the whites have fried a bit. It is absolutely genius.
So yeah, let's try the wagyu. Or maybe I'll try the wagyu first without the egg. It's soft. You can really feel the spices, not just the chili, like the blend of spices, it hits you. And the herb, so you can feel it right away. Like it clears your nasal way. You can say that the ingredients are pretty fresh too, because you can taste the garlic. It's not just spicy. You can eat continuously, not like the samyang one. If you haven't watched the samyang video, I'll put the link on the description below so you can watch it after watching this PAD KRAPAO video. Comparing to what I ate earlier, the beef, to the wagyu, somehow it feels milder with the wagyu. The beef is really spicy. Maybe because it's minced. so the spice really stick into it, so every bite was spicy. Compared to the Wagyu, I think these are thin slices, and yeah, it's not that spicy, not that hurting compared to the beef one. Is it good? Which is better, Wagyu or beef?
Wagyu better.
So Tik likes the Wagyu more. At Pet Mark, they use duck egg, and with some Thai shops they use chicken egg. So in some shops it might be chicken egg, or in some shops it might be duck egg. Duck egg is more yellow, and or like the yolk is more colorful or more red, and it's more creamy.
Before they don't use duck egg because it's more expensive. Chicken egg is cheaper. But now it's like not that much different because the chicken egg is kind of like the price getting high.
There, starting to feel the spiciness of the krapao of Pet Mark. By the way, Pet Mark is a play of words. Pet is spicy, and then mak, how do you say it? Mak. Mak is like very. So in Thai, if you say very spicy, you will say Pet Mak. And the owner is Mark Weins, so it became Pet Mark. Pet Mark. Pet Mak. It's spicy, but it's not hurting. That's what's nice with it. Unlike the Samyang one, it's hurting.
It's hurting.
It doesn't mean that spicy is good for everyone.
Yeah, too much spice is not, it's too much of everything is bad. Oh yeah, good thing Tik mentioned about the spiciness. Level 5 is just for experience. So if you're a couple or a group, maybe order one level 5. But if you're a person who can eat spicy, to be able to enjoy it, order level 2 or level 3. Level 5, it's just spicy. You cannot really enjoy the krapao. So if you're going to Pet Mark or anywhere in Bangkok or in Thailand, when you order krapao, just the average one is okay if you can handle spicy. But if you don't eat spicy, of course, always go for the non-spicy. Spicy food is not for everyone.
Okay.
Actually, that's what I think why people get messed up with their tummy, because they're not ready with the spicy level in Thai. Always remember, when you move, the spices are different, so it will affect your digestion differently too. And maybe it's not like, for me, this is just a thought. Like, I was thinking maybe you don't get indigestion. Maybe the Thai food help with your digestion. That's why it's coming out. That's just my thought. Okay, so to sum it all up, it was a nice experience. The Wagyu was pretty nice. It was quite an experience, the level 5 spicy. Now I can say that I can eat Thai spicy food, but I can still feel the spice. And somehow I still give up like near the end because it's too much to handle. Tik said drinking milk before eating spicy food will help you with the spice, like prepare your tummy for the spice. Yeah, so please do buy some milk and some water. If you're in another part of Bangkok, or you're in another part of Thailand, please do try PAD KRAPAO. This is one of the staple food of Thailand. Just tell them my pet for not spicy, pet noi for a little bit spicy, and pet ma for super spicy.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo,